Today we will be learning Eeyore origami. Before we start, let's learn more about Eeyore. Number 1. Eeyore is a male donkey. He is one of the friends of Winnie the Pooh. Number 2. Eeyore is pessimistic and depressed. He usually expects misfortune to happen to him. Number 3. Eeyore has a long and detachable tail with a pink bow on the end, of which has a tendency to fall off. When it happened, Christopher Robin will help him to reattach it. Number 4. He likes to eat thistles. Number 5. He lives in the southeast corner of the 100-acre wood, in a place called Eeyore's Gloomy Place. His house is made entirely of sticks. It is constantly being knocked over, and so he always has to rebuild it from scratch. Let's start the origami. In this origami, you will need these papers: glue, black pen, and scissors. First, fold in half diagonally. Open the paper up and fold in half again along the dotted line. Fold the bottom up along the dotted line. Open it up and fold it up again to meet the crease. Fold it up again. Flip the paper over. Fold the top down along the dotted line to meet the bottom. Fold the paper inside along the dotted line and repeat to the other side. Fold the paper inwards along the dotted line. Repeat the step. Fold the paper along the dotted line to meet the edge. Now repeat to the left side. Lift the bottom corner up and fold it inward along the dotted line. You will see a small triangle. Do the same to the other side. Flip the paper over. You can already see the outline. Now let's fold the black or brown paper to make its hair. Fold the paper in half diagonally. Fold the side to the center along the dotted line. Repeat to the other side. Flip the paper over. Use a pencil to draw its hair by drawing wavy line. Then open up the paper and cut it along the line that you just drawn. After cutting, fold the paper back. Then put the black paper to the top of the purple paper. It should fit nicely. Fold the paper up to make its hair look even cuter. Then we will use the white paper. Use glue to keep it in place. Fold the sides inwards. Fold the white paper behind the model. Again, fold both corners inwards, and then tuck the white paper in. Now we have come to the last step, which is to draw the face. Good job!